Okay, today we are going to do work with the divisibility. This is the dynamic bead material which we need for divisibility. Units have to be in same golden bead, but right now I couldn't find the golden bead units, so I'm using the green units. Hmm? This divisibility, it started around maybe 6.5 years or so. You start and we don't give it all together. We start giving say at 6.5, and it's not about 6.5 or 7. It's not about the years. The prerequisite has to be met. Prerequisites are the child should be comfortable with division and multiples. They should know multiples and division. So we start from that age, very early age, and then we go up to upper elementary with this presentation. Different presentations are there. In this order we give. First we give 2, then 5, then 25, 4, 8, 3, 9, 6 and 11. We give these numbers in order, like divisibility of any number by 2, divisibility of any number by 5, divisibility of any number by 25, like that. So first we'll start with 2. And one more thing to note with this presentation is we don't give the rule, divisibility rule. We don't give to children. We only give the keys to find out the rule. The children should find out on their own. They will find out because we will be giving them the keys. So with those keys and practice, they will be able to find out the rules. We don't tell the rules straight away. So let us start with 2. Indu, you've been working with division and you know multiples very well, right? So today we will be working with divisibility of 2. You also know what is divisibility. Divisibility is whether you can divide a number uh, uh, by another number completely without any remainder. Is 1 divisible by 2, Indu?
No.
No. Is 2 divisible by 2?
Yes.
Yes. 3 divisible by 2?
No.
No. Is 4 divisible by 2?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is 5 divisible by 2?
No.
No. Is 6 divisible by 2?
Yes.
7 divisible by 2?
No.
8?
Yes.
9?
No.
No. So if we had one more bead, it would become 10, right? So I'm putting the bead bar of 10. Now is 10 divisible by 2?
Yes.
Yes. Are you sure of it?
Yes.
One small note here: in case the children are not any child for that matter in the group, small group, if the child is not familiar, I mean, if she is not sure of whether 10 is divisible by 2 or any number for that matter, we tell them to take the beads and divide and show. See, there are 10 beads here, and we make them into two groups and show that 10 is divisible by 2. So for that, in this process, any number, if the child is not ready, not able to understand, you can just show this like this. Indu, is 20 divisible by 2?
Yes.
30?
Yes.
40?
Yes.
50?
Yes.
60?
Yes.
70?
Yes.
80?
Yes.
90?
Yes.
Okay, if we had one more 10, it would become 100, right? 100, is it divisible by 2?
Yes.
Okay. Can you show me how 100 is divisible by 2 with tens?
Yes.
You asked it before. It's not there.
Nothing is there.
Okay, good. So 100 is divisible by 2, right? So, and a quick note for you all, teachers. This is just done in case you are finding that the child is not sure of what he's saying or something. You can ask like this. Otherwise, no need of asking like this, and in the middle, no need of doing this. In case you are not sure of whether the child is understanding or whatever, you can, or the child is mechanically saying it, you can do that. Huh? Then, so 100 is divisible by 2, right? So what about 200, Indu?
Yes, it is.
It is divisible. 300?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So if 100 is divisible by 2, can I say all hundreds like 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, up to 900? All hundreds are divisible by 2?
Yes, we can say like that.
Okay. What about 1000?
It is divisible.
Hmm. When all hundreds are divisible, 1000 is also, all thousands are also divisible by 2. Right? And all thousands in the sense up to 9,000, and 10,000 is it divisible by 2?
It is.
Yes. Okay. Now we will take a number 3734. Okay, and we will see whether it is divisible by 2. Okay, so can you take the quantity?
3,000.
You can take it in this tray.
3,000.
734. Okay, shall we see whether we can make two groups out of these, out of this quantity? You keep it there only. It's okay. We will make two groups now. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we could make with hundreds. What about this? Can we change it to hundreds?
Yes.
Thousands? Change it to thousands. Sorry, hundreds.
1, 2, 3.
Now you make it into two groups. One on top of the other. You can. Is it equal? No, equal, right?
Yes.
Now you distribute this also. This is the quantity that is there, no?
Yeah.
You are left with 100. So what will you do?
I will exchange it to tens.
Yeah. Then these. What will you do with that? You will change it to
Exchange it to units.
units. Make sure there are 10.
There are 10.
And you have here some more units. Yeah, you're left with nothing, no? You have been able to uh, divide it equally between two people, and you have nothing left.
Yes.
So 3,734 is divisible by 2. Can we say that?
Yes.
Yeah. So now you take any other number. You take any other number and see whether it is divisible by 2 by dividing like this.
Okay.
Okay. And each time you do it, you write it down like this. Okay. Is it visible?
No, it is not visible.
Okay. Now.
Now it's visible.
So you have to write the heading as divisibility by 2, and you whatever number you take it, you write it down in your book, okay, in the, and if it is divisible, you write yes, otherwise no, and underline the unit
Okay.
with some nice color, okay, red color, whatever. And then keep doing it for many other numbers. We will see what you'll find, okay.
Yeah.
So there ends the presentation for 2, divisibility by 2. So the children will start working on different numbers by just they've been given the keys. That is, uh, we have shown in units what all units are divisible, like 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Sorry, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 2, 4, 6, and 8. 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, and then in tens, hundreds, thousands, all are divisible by 2. So this we have made them aware of that, and then we have given way of finding any number, taking any number and finding out whether it is divisible by 2 by doing these, having that those keys in mind, and keeping on repeating these things. They will be able to know that it should be even numbers. Units should be even, that is even numbers, or with zero, ending with zero, so that they should be able to find out that rule. After a long time, when they are working on this, if they still not able to find any, if they are able to find, they will only come and tell you. In case you're seeing that they are only doing it, they are not able to get any clue, you can give them hints and you can goad them, and you can just uh, get the answer out from them.